right, welcome back to a Flashback Friday. And on this day, I take you back to some of my music from back in the day when I was growing up as a teenager and in my 20s. And this song was from 1974, this recording of this live band. It's Montrose. That's Ronnie Montrose with Sammy Hagar singing, recorded live 1974. I hope I can show this video without it getting blocked. We'll see what happens. But it's obviously from 1974, so the audio is not great and the video is not great, but it's good that we have this. So Ronnie Montrose with Sammy Hagar singing back in 1974. The band was called Montrose, and the song is Bad Motor Scooter. And this is going to be a live version. But the original version has a great intro with the guitar sounding like a motorcycle shifting gears. So check that out. So let's get it rolling with this performance from 1974. Yeah, nice rhythm, huh? Look at that hair, Sammy Hagar.
But just remember, I don't live too far. There's a red bridge in Oxford Bay. Yeah. You be in my place and listen to me. Get on your back on a scooter and ride. I'm going to my place and stay all night. Oh yeah. The first thing in the morning when I feel alright, 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 alright. Get on your back on a scooter and ride. Woo! You were the last time I seen your face. I swear that no one would take your place. Now since you've been gone, I've been feeling better, yes. I come out to your place, I'm a friend of yours. Get in your bed for the scooter ride. Over to my place to stay all night. Oh yeah. First thing in the morning when I feel alright, alright, alright. Get in your bed for the scooter ride.
All right, let's stop it right there. Wow, what a performance. Yeah, this is Sammy Hagar before he went on a solo career. Very good solo career. As you remember, some of his hit songs, one of the main ones is I Can't Drive 55. Remember that song? Yeah, that's definitely some good Sammy Hagar. And I was a fan of Sammy Hagar back then. I even seen him in concert before he joined Van Halen. I forget the show. I have the ticket still. I have all my tickets from every concert I ever went to. I still have them all from 1981 on to recent. So, yeah, Sammy Hagar was the red rocker. He always had a red guitar, and he did the red accents uh, on his performance. So he's a great performer. Always enjoyed Sammy. And then, of course, when he joined Van Halen, that was another level, of performance. Getting with Eddie Van Halen and his guitar writing and musicality was amazing. What a great band. So whether you like David Lee Roth or Sammy or both, I like them both. I'm not picking one or the other. You don't have to. I don't have to pick. It's just I love the great band Van Halen, and I enjoyed both David Lee Roth and Sammy Hagar. So that's just me. And as in this song, you got Ronnie Montrose is a great guitar player, and this song is great. And there's a couple more hits on this album. One of them's Rock Candy, really cool riff. If you've never heard of it, check it out. Maybe I'll react to it. Not really react, but show it to you guys. But that's what Friday's all about. Not about a reaction. It's about just showing you guys some of the music I rocked out to, especially younger folks, who've never heard this stuff. This is stuff I grew up with. 1974 was just a couple years before I started getting into rock and roll. I mean, I was like in 74, I was like 8 years old, so I wasn't really 8 or 9. It depends on what month this was at, but I wasn't really getting into rock and roll then. I was into disco actually back then. Let's pick it up. They're about to get on with the song with some, hopefully, some lead guitar, right? Let's do it. Let's back it up a little bit.
Come on, baby. Bring it up. Come on, baby. You get on your bad motor scooter and ride. Go over to my place and stay all night. First thing in the morning when I feel alright, alright, alright.
Get on your bad motor scooter.
You gotta ride, ride, ride. Get on your
That drummer was killing it, right?
motor scooter. Get on your bad motor.
Yeah, buddy, that drummer was killing it. That was killer, man. That drummer was going to town. The bass was killing it too. And of course, Ronnie Montrose on guitar, slaying it. So I recommend the original recording. I just did this live version for you guys because everybody likes to see a video. And I don't think there's no music video for the original version. So I wouldn't have anything to show you. So I just chose to go with the video that you could see something going on if they don't block it. So we'll see what happens. So there you go. Montrose, Bad Motor Scooter with Ronnie Montrose with Sammy Hagar playing, singing, not playing, but singing. Ronnie was playing guitar. Sammy was singing back in 1974. Very cool video. I thought it was cool. You could see the early days with Sammy Hagar, how young he was. Rocking, still had the great head of hair, of course, right? Very young. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Got more rock and roll for you and reactions to all different genres of music. It could even be other things too. We're going to expand eventually, but for now, we're trying to get a solid foundation of just reacting to music, rock and roll primarily, but we can do pop, we can do other music. It's no big deal. Rap, no problem, as long as no foul language or stuff like that. Or, word here and there is not a big deal, but if it's just predominantly foul language, no, I'm not going to do it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you want to see more content from me, just click that notification bell and select all. You'll get a notification when I upload my next video. I really appreciate it. And do me one more favor. Share this video with a friend, as it'll help my channel grow. I'm a brand new channel, so I'm hoping you'll help me grow this channel into a big channel. So it'll be a lot of fun. So thank you so much again for watching RC1 Reactions, and I'll see you on the next one.